The figure shows a low-expansion foam system. The foam tank is inside the foam room, which is located below the poop deck and away from cargo and machinery spaces. The tank stores the foam compound. Bilge, ballast, or fire pumps, located in the engine room, deliver seawater to the foam water main system. Foam liquid pump transfers the liquid to the proportionator via the foam liquid pressure regulator. The proportionator mixes the foam liquid with seawater in correct proportions and transfers the foam solution to foam main line. From the main line, the liquid further branches into hydrants and foam monitors located on the deck. If required, portable foam applicators are fitted onto the hydrants. When the foam solution is expelled from the monitors, it mixes with air and generates air foam solution. Low expansion foam is used to fight fires on ships carrying flammable liquid cargoes. Foam solution includes tanks which rupture either by explosion or collision. It also extinguishes the fire caused by spillage on deck. In a high expansion foam system, inductor mixes seawater with the foam compound and generates a foam solution. This foam solution is passed through spray nozzles which scatters the foam solution onto the nylon mesh. A large fan provides sufficient air to form an air foam solution, and it drives it to the protected space through trunking. The foam generator discharges foam through fixed discharge outlets. To fill the maximum space to be protected, discharge should be at a rate of 1 meter depth per minute. The quantity of foam forming liquid should be equal to 5 times the volume of the largest space to be protected. The volume of foam forming liquid equals 5 times volume of the maximum space to be protected. High expansion foam is suitable for fighting fires in enclosed spaces.